We're doing the off-road animal bull bar in Y62 here. It's already fitted. We show the process as well here. Let's go, Habibi. Nissan Patrol Y62 here. We're doing the off-road animal bull bar in it. The grill is off. The bumper is out and the bull bar is there. The Toro bar opening for the Y62 here. We already put the grill. There you go, boys. The cradles, one cradle on. We're opening the rest of them. See? Light, sensor, and washer, all fitted. The light bar. Yeah. Cradle, recovery point, both sides done. Net of wheels and tires, 295 70 18. Maxi raod. Half of the job is done. See the sensors, lights, right. This one left here. Let's see left. There you do. All done. Lights, CME. It's Y62 Nissan Patrol. Off-road animal bull bar. CME antenna.